Classical cryptography, in times of war. Enigma. Position of the rotors. While the setting sheet provided information on which rotors to choose and how to place them, the position of each rotor itself was not noted down. Instead, they were chosen arbitrarily by the sender. This means, the sender decided first on a position for each rotor, giving them 3 letters, one for each rotor. Next, the sender decided on a 3-letter message key, which was then encrypted with the rotors in the start position, giving the encrypted message key. For the actual encryption of the message key was chosen as the start position. Before the actual message, the sender now sent to the recipient the start position of the rotors, the encrypted message key, as well as the time and the total number of letters in the message via radio. The recipient now put their rotors in the start position and entered the next 3 letters on the keyboard. This resulted in the light bulbs showing the actual message key. Setting the rotors to this position would then allow to decrypt the actual message. If you want to learn more about the cryptography and other interesting topics, go to embeddedacademy.com.